Hi friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I am here to share a quick video with you about how to add these button links on your YouTube. I just did it today and I thought, well, if someone is like me and they're wondering how to do this and how much time it's going to take, that I would come on and just try to do a quick video for you. It only took me about, I'm going to say, 10 minutes to add all of these buttons, so I'm going to run through a quick how-to with you. So I was watching another YouTube person, and this is probably a techie person, so I'm putting it in layman's language for you. So what I did was I added, you can see, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Etsy all at the same time. So you go to your YouTube channel. This is your home page on your YouTube channel, and then you go. The instructions I was listening said then go to your edit button. So, and they said it was in the top right hand corner. So I went over here and looked in my top right hand corner, and what I found was this camera. So then I had to figure out, is this guy's instructions going to work? Are these old instructions that are no good, or what? So I just kind of looked around and decided to click on the Customize Channel button. So that's what you do. Click on Customize Channel. Okay, let me see. Just a second. It didn't work. It didn't work. Okay. Click on Customize Channel. Okay, here we go. It did work. I'm sorry. It went down. Okay, so then you go to the upper right hand corner, and there you have your little edit button. Click on that, and what you want is edit links. Don't worry about that edit channel art. I don't know what that is. Just click on the edit links. So now you're here, and what you want to go do is go down to where it has custom links. Okay, so what you're going to see, I've already got 4 on here, but you're going to see 1. So you're going to see one blank line right here. Right here. Oops, this is a touch screen, so I can't touch it. And then you're going to see another line. So what you do is go over, say you want to add Instagram. You go up here to your Instagram and go to your home page on Instagram. And go up here. Say it's like this when you get there. Your home page, you see your name, you see your posts. So go up here to where you have your URL, and you can either right click and it will highlight, or just go like that where you highlight it. Right click, copy, then go back to YouTube, and you type in the first blank, the name of the social media, like Instagram. Then you go to the second blank, right click, and paste. And I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. But then you will have your URL there. So say you want to go ahead and add another one, Facebook is what I did next. So I typed in Facebook there and went over to my Facebook. And this is my Turquoise Dreaming Facebook page. And I did the same thing, highlight, right click, copy, back to YouTube, down to where I have the Facebook, right click, paste. Okay, and you just keep doing that. You probably have to hit add again with each one you want to add. So say I want to add another one. There you go, you have your blank one. So each time you want to add a new social media, hit that add button. I didn't say that after Instagram. Hit the add button. Go back to the next one, which was, I did Twitter next. Go to Twitter. This is my home page on Twitter. Okay, you can see my name there and my URL up here. So on Twitter, what I did, I had this extra after my name, but I didn't copy that. I just went like this after my name, highlighted that, right click, copy, back over to my YouTube, Go back down to the next blank. I have Twitter typed in there. Paste. And the same thing with Etsy, and I'll show you Etsy real quick because it was the same as Twitter. It had, here's my home page, Turquoise Dreaming, and then so I went up here and it had the same thing. It had all this stuff after my name. So I just went to the end of my name, highlighted, right click, copy, back over to YouTube, have Etsy typed in there, right click in the second blank, paste, and then I was done, and then I hit done. Okay, so you hit done and then go to your, well, I don't have to, well, here it is, but I'll go to my channel because I'm not actually on my channel right now. Let me see. YouTube, a second, gotta get back over there. My channel, and you saw it at the beginning, but there they are. I've tested them all, they all work. So that's just a quick little how-to on how to add those buttons in case you're like me and wondering how to do it. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. I tried to explain this in quick layman's language, so for anyone out there that wants to do it, you can see we did it in about 6.5 minutes, me showing you how to do it. So, you know, just if you do it along with me on your computer, this is my desktop, I did it on my desktop, so do it along with me on your computer and you'll have it done too. Thanks for watching, and I'll let you go. See you next time. Bye bye.